this one. This one. So run from this one.
No, it's supposed to go from 110, see? So 110 above. So we not fucked up.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let us know right now because the physical demonstration will actually be real good. You didn't clarify. Well, actually, I think your heat strips are heated like energizer dependent. Actually, yeah, I think it should not. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, from the end. Basically.
Where are you running down to?
That's not running.
We're running on the bench there.
Oh, so that's what it's like one. It's the L3 connected.
Yes.
So what else?
That's the heat power tank. No, it's high voltage. Let's get it past the two switches first. From the red one to the switches, and then to the red one.
Bias is a thing, right? Maybe you said something, but you just want to confirm, right? This is exactly this is just to make sure, you know. Exactly, but it's like confirmation bias. You just want to make sure that you understand them. That's kind of like it's something that I do. To be honest, I think I've messed up on mine. I've missed out on one. Like he just doesn't like it. Yes. Alright. So I guess we got to I'm not gonna teach. Right. Do it the way it is, yeah. I'm taking it honestly. It's the worst place to
This one comes in and out. So these switches, these get power coming out.
I'll do the other one. I'm tired. Can't sleep with this hectic ass life, bro. I really can't. That's what success costs.
No, it's like these